Need your windshield repaired? We'll repair your windshield to original factory specifications with a lifetime warranty. Windshield chips and small cracks can impair driving visibility. Why put up with the inconvenience when it is so inexpensive to repair a windshield? Best Auto Glass is a wholesale supplier to the auto glass industry. This is why our windshield repair prices are often half of what you would pay other auto glass repair companies. If you don't repair the small chip or crack in your windshield, it will grow larger. Sometimes, just within a few days, a small chip or crack can grow across the windshield. When a crack goes to that size, the whole windshield must be replaced. Save yourself time and money. Get your windshield repaired as soon as possible. Give us a call at 703-339-2266 to book an appointment. Best Auto Glass certified technicians can fix most windshields within an hour. Most insurance companies will reimburse you for the windshield repair charges. To book your appointment, call 703-339-2266. With Best Auto Glass, you get a no questions asked lifetime warranty. If for any reason the chip we repaired turns into a crack, we will credit the full amount you paid towards the new windshield replacement. Call 703-339-2266 and book your appointment now.